All right, look at what we have here. We did a little bit of work. So that is not quite a cubic meter or a yard of material, but we got a lot of stuff done today. Let me come around this side so you can see a little better. All right, so today we were able to get everything dug down to the depth that we need to put down gravel and then the concrete blocks on top of it. So it's kind of hard to see, but it's about 6, 7 inches deep. It goes around, and we followed the natural curve that was there. There was a small little ditch before, so we followed it around all the way to there. So that's what we have done today. And then as you can see, here's all the dirt, and I tried to save all the big rocks. So next is here, we're gonna put down gravel and make sure it's level all the way across. So then we put down the I call them concrete blocks, but they're actually these things called piedras canteras. So I'm gonna put them in the top. Everything will be level with this lip right here, so that it goes through and flows to there. And then whenever there's no class, we will dig a trench across the driveway and put a tube to carry the water to the other side of the street. So I'm looking forward to that tomorrow during my classes. I only have 4 classes tomorrow, so I got time in between to go down to the hardware store and order all the materials that we need. So it should be nice. And then one thing that I want to do, let me show you over here. So because we're going to make it level with that edge, when we put the ones on their side here to make the sides of the canal, it's going to be the same height as this right here. So I'm going to back up so you can get a better view, but it's going to be the same height as the top of that opening. So when you look at it from over here, you can see how it's kind of 2 little hills that came down right there. So we're going to make it the same height. So I'm going to come around here and I'm going to put rocks like over there on top of the piedras canteras and loop it around this way to make a raised bed that comes around this palm and goes around that corner. And then in that area right there, there will be a gravel walkway. We'll make a little bridge right there that goes from there to here. And do the same thing over here with the wall, have it come to about here, and then have it curve around almost the same direction as this dirt. Curve around a little more inside of it and go over to there. So we'll need to backfill everything else with dirt to make this high, a little bit higher. So what that will do is that'll make everything higher here, so any rain that comes here goes away. And then everything that drains from over there will go here, across the street, and then there's a ditch over there that will take it all the way down to the river. So it's nice. I had Santos help me today. I didn't know anybody was gonna help, so it's kind of nice when he came over and started helping, because without him, this would have taken all day. We did all this in about, I don't know, 2.5, 3 hours. We were able to excavate everything. So we had to use a big bar for breaking up rocks. We had to use a pickaxe and then a shovel, of course, to clean everything out. So it's kind of nice. I would say it is almost a yard wide. I know it doesn't look like it, but it's about 2.5 feet wide. So, and this length right here is about 15 feet when I measured it. So it's quite a bit of dirt. So it was a little bit of progress today. It's nice. I'm looking forward to it. Got way more done than I thought. So appreciate it. Thanks for watching the videos. I just want to kind of show you guys what was going on. I will continue to keep posting updates of pictures and photos. So basically what we need to do is we need to get this wrapped up. It's already rainy season, but that's one reason we need to get this done. And second, we can't start the rainwater project until we get this project done. So we'll get this knocked out, hopefully maybe another week. Depends on how classes go. It's kind of hard. This is a busy week, and Thursday I won't be here. I'll be in Managua probably. So that's a day that I won't have to work. So I'll keep posting it. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your donations. Without this, like I wouldn't have been able to buy the shovel or the bar. I had to borrow the pickaxe. So it was more than just me. It was me, Santos helped, the maintenance guys brought over some other tools so that we could work on that. So it really was a group effort. And thank you for the donations that you guys have sent for the other projects. Without those, we couldn't even make any of this real. So I appreciate it. Thank you very much. You guys have a good afternoon, and adios.